Desperado, why don't you come to your senses? You've been out trying to fences for so long now. Oh, you were a hot one, but I know that you got your reasons. There are things that are pleasing you can hurt you somehow. Don't you try the queen of diamonds, boy. She'll beat you if she's able. You're the queen of princess, always your best bet. Now it seems to me some fine thing have been laid upon your table, but you only want the one you can get. Desperado, oh, you ain't getting younger. Your pain and your hunger, they driving you home. And freedom for just some people talking. You prison is walking through this world alone. Don't you think it's cold in the wintertime? Sky was snow when the sun was shine. It's hard to tell the nighttime from the day. You're losing all your highs and lows, and it's funny how the feeling goes away. Desperado, why don't you come to your senses? Come down from your fences. Open your gate. It may be raining, but there's a rainbow above you. You better let somebody love you. Let somebody love you. Better let somebody love you before this too